Good day and welcome to another edition of Q&A Social Security Disability Today. I am your host, Attorney Anthony Reeves. Let's get to your questions. Do I have to report my workers' compensation settlement to Social Security if I'm already receiving disability benefits? Short answer is yes, because Social Security is going to know that you got a settlement. And keep in mind, remember, when you have your settlement, what do they have to put on the paperwork? Especially the checks, your Social Security number. So guess what's going to happen? That alert is going to pop up in Social Security system that you got that windfall. So you don't want Social Security to come looking for you, and because this is what may end up happening. They might, and I'm saying this is a big one, they might suspend your benefits until you give them verification of your washout agreement or your settlement agreement, which discusses in detail how the money is allocated. Why is that important? Because certain portions of your money that you receive from your workers' comp may not hit against your Social Security. However, if they don't know how the money is to be distributed, then they're going to take it all in one lump sum when they're calculating how that may offset your disability benefits. Let me kind of break it down more. SSI is a little bit different because that's a need-based program, so they may suspend because you're just getting all the assets. But let's just say you're getting DIB benefits. When you get that workers' comp settlement and they put that money into the system, it's going to send an alert to Social Security. Social Security does not know how your award for workers' comp has been processed. In other words, if your award allows for a certain amount of monies to be allocated for past medical treatment, future medical treatment, and your attorney fees and things like that, some of that money, like for instance, the money for attorney fees is not money that's going to negatively count against you. That's not offsettable. They don't calculate that. However, if Social Security has no idea of where that money is to be earmarked in terms of what portions of that money is allocated for what, they are not going to know what monies are going to be affecting your Social Security and what monies are not. So it really is in your best interest that if you get a settlement from workers' comp, get a copy of that settlement and provide it to Social Security so that this way you're not having your benefits disrupted because of that workers' comp offset. Now, be advised, I've done videos about workers' comp before and how it affects Social Security, so you definitely want to check those out because there is a possibility that workers' comp may cause a reduction in your disability benefits. But the answer to your question, should you let Social Security know that you've got a workers' comp settlement? The answer is yes. Thank you for joining me for another edition of Q&A Social Security Disability Today. I am your host, Anthony Reeves. Have a wonderful day.